Hi guys, welcome back to our series on DAT3. I know we've been having a good time speaking about the new concepts in DAT3, things like pattern matching, if case statements, and all of that. Well, today we'll be speaking about records in DAT. Yes, records was also introduced in DAT3. What then are records in DAT? Imagine lists, sets, maps, right, which are collection types in that allow you to store multiple objects into just a single object. Well, that is exactly what record does. Records allow you to store multiple objects into just a single object. Then when you want to access any of these objects in it, you use the dot modifier. One sweet thing about records is that it allows you to have both positional and named arguments inside a single record. When you then want to access these values, once you use the dot modifier, you will see things like $1, $2, or $3, depending on how many positional arguments that you have. Compared to other collection types, like lists, records are fixed size, and what this means is that you can no longer modify its length or add new objects into it after it has been declared. However, to make your code more concise and readable, you can then use named arguments. Then when you want to access these named arguments inside your record, the moment you use the dot modifier, you will now see the names of your named arguments, and then you can use whatever data that it is you need from your record. Why records? Well, with records, firstly, you can have a function that has multiple return values in that. Secondly, you don't always necessarily have to create classes anytime you want to do things in that. For example, imagine we want to create a bottom navigation bar. What we'd normally do is create a class, let's say navbar model. It will have a property called title and then icon, for example. Now, you don't always have to do that. You can always have records and do that for you. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, save someone from writing boilerplate code this time. Share it to them. And please, follow me on my social media handles. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.